So kind of a funny story. A few years ago, I was in another truck stop and I bought a bunch of hats. I bought like 10 hats. And my homeboy Daycab goes, "Hey man, I like that diamond plate hat. That's pretty cool." I said, "Okay." They all said Teamtiny trucking on. I said, "Okay, that's yours." Well then, I didn't see him and I ran out of hats. And when I ran out of the hats, I started wearing his. I offered to mail it to him, but at that point it was pretty raggedy.
It's been a while since I can say that I wasn't addicted, and it's been a while since I can say I love myself as well. And it's been a while since I've gone and fucked things up just like I always do.
Anyway, we're gonna get some hats, make good on it. These are the sections they got. The selections. I am not seeing any diamond plate. I am not seeing any diamond plate. I am not seeing any diamond plate. Oh, more hats. Okay. You may still be in luck. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. I do not think that they have them. Okay. Alright, well, I'm just going to have to make the best of a bad situation. We're getting some hats. We're getting some hats for sure. We are going to be getting some hats. What it is. Starts at $5 for 5 letters, 25 cents each additional letter. We are definitely getting some hats. And you know what? We're going to do a giveaway too. I'm going to give one away to my homeboy. See if I can't pick out the one for him. And then I'm going to give away, we're going to do one female hat. And we're going to do maybe one male hat. And the key is, if you run into me on the road, and you say, "Hey man, Teamtiny trucking, I seen you on the YouTubes." Well, you get a hat. Yeah, you get a hat. How's that work? Okay. I'm gonna get some hats. I'll be right back. All right, I think they turned out good, man. You get these right here at Joplin. Yeah, and they're gonna even mail it away. Can you guess which one I'm getting? Safety first, baby. Safety first. Yep. Got a female and a male hat, and I'm getting me another one too. Yeah, so the rules are, you see me on the road, "Hey, you're Teamtiny trucking, I want a hat." You got a hat, if I still got one. This contest ought to last about 3 or 4 years. I think I've been recognized once in my illustrious career. Anyway, we're making good on the hat promise. Daycab, that hat will be coming. I'll be expecting an unboxing video.
I've been promised. It is in fact a comparable or even superior hat to the hat with the diamond plate on it that I coveted and came this close to getting so many times, but just never made it onto my head. Here we go, yo. I'm gonna close my eyes. Ready? And fuck you.
Boy, I am glad to finally get that off my list. I can't tell you the amount of sleepless nights I had. Hey, Daycab, same offer. Same offer. I will mail you this hat. However, it has been strewn upon my head laden with my DNA. You just let me know. Truth be told, I think he's just pissed it didn't come in a flat bill. Alright, we are giving away hats around this gin joint, so rules are simple. You see me on the road, say, "Hey man, I recognize you, you're Teamtiny trucking." Woman's hat, male hat. Apparently Daycab will be having his own giveaway on that hat. Go over to his channel, Daycab Gear Jammer. I'll put the link in the description here. To the rest of y'all, thanks for watching.